Looks cool, but how does it work? The Trident tank is a mini air tank that allows you to breathe underwater effortlessly. And it's easy to use. Simply swap it out for your regular snorkel and breathe normally, or attach it to our full face mask, which allows you to use the snorkel on the surface of the water and automatically engages the air tank when you dive underwater. And the best part is, when it's empty, you can refill it easily yourself for free in minutes with our hand pump or battery-powered pump, which provide compressed, clean, and filtered air to the tank. So make the most out of your next snorkeling experience and get yourself one today.